Enséñame una palabra nueva de español.
Ok. Te enseñaré una palabra dominicana que es muy usada y es la palabra vaina.
¿Vaina?
Vaina. Vaina significa muchas cosas. Por ejemplo, si hay una llave encima de una mesa, el dominicano tiende a decir, pásame esa vaina que está encima de la mesa, que es la llave. Puede ser un pote, la vaina.
Okay.
Cuestión de que el dominicano usa vaina para todo.
Okay.
Y nos entendemos.
Gracias.
Welcome to Dominicated. I'm Reina.
And I'm Chris.
And we're headed to Puerto Plata today, a city in the northern coast of Dominican Republic. We are passing several towns on the way there. It's about an hour away. In the meantime, you could check out our sick dance moves.
She looks hot.
Hi, this is Reina.
And Chris.
And we are here at Carnival today in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. We're going to check out some of the really cool local sites like the cathedral, the Puerto Plata sign,
Umbrella Street,
and Pig Street. We're really excited and we're being led by a tour guide today. We'll learn a little bit more about him in a moment. We are in the city center of Puerto Plata. We've been here one time, a long time ago, but it was actually a gray and dreary day, and it looks very beautiful. We are excited about Carnival. So we are here at the cigar shop in Puerto Plata, Tropical Cigars Factory, and we'll see in a moment what they have. I believe they have some Cuban. Watching this gentleman create some cigars by hand. That's pretty awesome. Those are the leaves.
and the tobacco's grown in the yard?
Yeah, we grow our shell. This is our brand.
Okay, let me show you. Look it.
Well, that's nice. It's a nice gift set for somebody who smokes a lot.
We got strong, we got medium, we got really mild, and in this corner over here, we got the Cubans.
Ah, the
The most popular around the world, Montecristo, Cohiba, and Romeo and Juliet.
Este es el paseo de Doña Blanca, Doña Blanca's place or passage.
Reina in her pink element. Yeah, go walk down the street. I'll follow you.
Right.
She's in her element. Her element is pink. Are you going to ride it? Or are you just going to be in their picture?
Oh, you're
I'm sorry. Oh, my car. Who is that?
Doña Blanca.
Oh, that's Doña Blanca. Okay.
Who's this lady? What's happening here? Chris has found somebody else. I'm jealous. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Mi nombre es Marcos Misael Rivas, trabajo en la compañía de Rainier Tours. Hacemos tours, city tours, recogemos en los aeropuertos.
¿Y de qué se trata el tour de hoy?
Hoy estaremos realizando un tour por la ciudad. Luego en la tarde iremos a la final de Carnaval de aquí de Puerto Plata y vamos a disfrutar.
No somos gringos, somos blanquitos.
Dominican now.
Everybody's pre-gaming right now. This is just a warm-up to what's coming later.
So, of course, we find the sign that leads to empanadas and beer. But we also take the time to be by these classic cars and fantasize about being rich.
We're so inspired it leads to Matrix-like moves.
Whoa.
On and near Umbrella Street, we have shopping and restaurant options and animals. That's a nice dress.
Pro tip, Marcos knows where all the best bathroom spots are in Puerto Plata, which is really handy if you're in desperate need.
We visit the chocolate store, and it has these delightful samples and this cocoa butter that you put on your skin. We smelled so wonderful, we wanted to bite each other all day.
How is that any different than a normal day?
I don't know what you mean. Do you know what time it is?
Photo op time!
It is very shallow water here, so people come and catch octopus by hand.
It's very shallow, especially here. So you could be a local or a fisherman, and you can come and grab your pulpo like right there. When we came here for a visit many, many months ago, we went here with our friend, and it was such a different day. It was so dreary. So this looks really just amazing. We really couldn't have gotten better weather. Look at this guy, middle of nowhere fishing. He is quite some distance. If I zoom out, you can see how far this guy is. No way. So we are here at a very popular tourist site here in Puerto Plata. So that is the statue of General Gregorio Luperón, and we see the proud Dominican flag hanging there. We also see this awesome fort here to the left, and behind it is the NCL cruise line. There is a port that stops here. It doesn't pick up passengers to go to other countries. Like it's more of like a stop during your vacation. So that is where people stop when they are visiting the Caribbean.
And it was just recently Dominican Independence Day.
Yeah, so this must have been just lit. Hopping. And it's right by this beautiful water. It is a great, great day to visit this. But this is so nice. It reminds me of the fort that you find in Puerto Rico. Although
Exactly.
that is very vast, but it has like a similar vibe to it.
That's El Moro.
El Moro? I've been there like twice and I don't even know the name. Oh my gosh, this is just Puerto Plata in all its glory. Down there we see some windmills, which are a fantastic source of renewable energy. And we span over and we see the NCL Joy in all its glory. I have not been on that particular boat. I've been on a few, like the NCL Agony. No, I'm kidding. I do like that cruise line very much. It's an awesome experience. It's so close to the city center. Like literally, that is where the amphitheater is and the Malecón. And we are just really moments away from like all these stores and businesses.
Go!
So we stopped by a vendor who has very beautiful jewelry here.
Oh, my goodness.
He has Mama Juana. Oh my goodness.
¿Y para usted?
No, aquí no podemos.
Oh.
¿Tú te llamas Willy, verdad?
Yo me llamo Willy, me dicen el Free Willy. Soy uno de los chicos que tenemos de la artesanía dominicana aquí en la puntilla del Malecón. Tenemos precio especial, por eso me dicen el Free Willy, porque yo vendo everything almost free.
Give me a free bracelet.
Y más si son latinos, es almost Dominican price.
Okay, it's such a bargain that they call him Free Willy, and he did give me a free bracelet. Very beautiful.
Cuando no es carnaval.
Cuando no el barco,
Día normal.
día normal.
Sí, no está el barco, ¿dónde está?
No, si no hay barco, nosotros nos quedamos en la casa, porque mayormente nosotros vinimos aquí por los días del barco.
When this boat is here, everybody comes out. These vendors come out. If not, there's no real business here, so they won't be here. Right in front of the fortress.
Let me hear.
All right. To Free Willy!
Later in the night, he's gonna have a special power. He's going to be taka with the Mama Juana all night.
What kind of power is that?
Is it Plátano power?
We're stopping in at La Lola in Puerto Plata. Further down will be where the parade is, but for now, we are going to eat.
We are here at La Lola restaurant and we are chilling out. Chris is gonna get a stuffed chicken, but it's got a chef's secret. We'll see what the secret is. I'm gonna be mad if it's like onions or something. All right, and there's a bunch of stuff here. There's a lot of seafood heavy, some Spanish options too, like paella and black rice. Really lovely seafood options, salads. So there's definitely like a lot of healthy things like hummus, even pastas, rices, some meat dishes. Like you can get ribeye here. And I think I might be going for the best, possibly, or a couple of these sushis. The Dominican roll out here is actually pretty tasty. A lot of them come with like plátano on the exterior. And you can see that we're seated in front of a very idyllic area. A couple of people are just complaining to me literally right now about the 3 feet of snow in their backyard. But yeah, this is my reality. Welcome to Dominican Republic.
3 feet of sand.
Yeah, no kidding. Right now it's a beautiful, beautiful day. So we're feeling very lucky and very spoiled right now.
Sweet little swing set by the beach.
Of course, we always make time to goof around and take some pictures. This spot has sushi, but if you're used to sushi elsewhere, like in the States, you're going to want to order like half of what you normally order because it's very dense. It's like different than what you're probably used to. But it was very tasty, especially the chicken.
We're living in a time when it feels like the loudest voices are the angriest ones. Division trends. Outrage spreads fast. And it can start to feel like kindness is disappearing. But here's what I've learned. It isn't gone. It's just quieter. I'm Mike Rathman, and this is the Kindness Matters podcast. Each week, I talk with ordinary people doing extraordinary things and explore how small acts of courage, generosity, and compassion still shape our communities. Not because it's naive, not because it's easy, but because it works. Kindness isn't weakness. It isn't passive. It's resistance. It's choosing not to let the temperature of the culture determine the temperature of your heart. If you're looking for something hopeful, something honest, something that reminds you that good people are still out there, you're in the right place. New episodes drop every Thursday. This is the Kindness Matters podcast. Let's keep changing the world, one small act at a time.
That's our guide, Eva! And he's been a great guide. And we are just waiting for Carnival to get started. We already saw some costumes and stuff, and it's going to start
Yeah, they look really cool.
in like 20 minutes, but we got a great spot by the shade. We're like, in the what they call the Malecón here, and it's pretty vast. It goes a very long way. Things are just warming up. Some of the things, we saw some like dancers and costume bustles and stuff, so we're just gonna wait.
I want to take a moment to really recognize Marcos, our tour guide. He really has pulled out all the stops to make this day super special. He bought a lot of refreshments for us and spent a lot of money on that, making sure we had beer, soda, and water. And I can't help but think he's away from his 2 kids right now and his wife, and he's spending it with these strangers, trying to make sure that they have the best time.
As the classic cars roll in on this Carnival parade, we had such a great time, and we want to remember that we are guests in Dominican Republic, and the people here are sharing graciously their culture and their celebrations with us. And so it's our responsibility to give respect back and to tip graciously when appropriate. Over and over from different service industry workers, we hear a la orden, which means like to your order. I'm here to serve you. And that is just a beautiful thing.
Girl. Break it down, honey. Break it down. Hey. This has been an extraordinary day filled with so many memorable moments. I'm so happy I took a photo with one of my favorite costumes of the day. There are some things that make a statement, and there are other things that make absolutely no sense. We enjoy everything about today, especially these complex mechanical decorations. But we're on our way home because we have an empanada business to run. Next episode will be Puerto Rico versus Dominican Republic. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for checking us out. We're getting robbed for beer. This guy knows everybody. That gorilla just took our beer.
This is the closing scene.